Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a Maven project in Eclipse, and after that, we will see how to develop a first Selenium program and execute it. Okay, so in order to do that, we can first open Eclipse. I have clicked Eclipse. In that, we can see it is showing workspace. Okay, I am going with the default workspace, so on click on launch. Now the workspace is open in Eclipse. So click on File, New, Project. So in that you will be seeing Maven. Okay. So click on Maven project. So expand the Maven folder, and after that you will be seeing Maven project. Click on that. Click Next. After clicking Next, you will be seeing Create a simple project. Okay. Select this option, and it can be same default workspace. Okay, no need to change. If you want, you can change that also. Okay, so I'm going with the use default workspace location, which is already selected. Okay, so now click on next. So here you can give Selenium program. Okay, here also I'm giving first program, first Selenium program. Okay, so after that click finish. So on clicking finish, in the left side under the package you will be seeing package explorer. Under that you will be seeing first Selenium program. Okay, now expand the first Selenium program. After expanding you will be seeing pom.xml. Double click and it will be opening in the right side, so you can see project details here. Okay, so here only we need to be adding the dependencies which is required for Selenium. Okay, so we can do that by going to google.co.in. Here you can type Selenium dependency. If you type that, you will be getting Maven repository. Okay, for Selenium Java. Click on that. So in that you will be having different version here. Okay, so like the latest version which we have is 4.13. We will take this one. Okay, so click on 4.13. In that click on the Maven tab. Already it is defaultly selected. If it is not selected, you can select Maven, and here you click on the text. Okay, it will be saying like copy to clipboard. Okay, clicking that it will be showing like copy to clipboard. Now you can go to project and you can give some space. Okay, you can type dependency dependencies. Okay, select that. L- Dependencies. After that you click enter. So here now you will be again entering dependency. Okay, the above you typed dependencies. Now you just paste the one which we copied from the website. Okay, so now you can see Selenium Java dependency which we copied from the Maven repository website. Okay, So the version is mentioned here. So now we not saved. Okay, after saving only you can see the things getting downloaded for Selenium here in the left side. Okay, currently it is only JRE system library. On clicking save, it will download the things from the Maven repository and add in the local here, and it will be showing like Maven dependencies. Okay, so you can see that I'm going to click on save. You can see in the left side how it changes. Okay, I'm clicking save. So in the left side you can see immediately it is getting downloaded. Okay, so all the required dependency for Selenium, it will be getting downloaded. Okay, no need to do any changes from our side. Okay, so it will be automatically downloaded. Whatever that is required, it will be downloading. Here you can see Selenium, whatever that is required for Selenium, it is all everything is downloaded here. Okay, if you want a different version, you can mention that version and it will be downloading based on the version which we mentioned here. Okay, so currently it downloaded all the things that is required for 4.13. Okay, so Maven dependency for Selenium is downloaded. Okay, so now you right click on the first Selenium program project. Okay, so you need to be configuring Java also. Here it is mentioned like JRE system library. Okay, click on that and remove it. Click on add library. Okay, click on JRE system library, the first option. Click next, and now you can click on execution environment. Okay, so we are planning to execute this one in 11. Okay, so Selenium also like recommending to use 11, so we can go with 11. Okay, so they stop the 8 support. Okay, Java 8 support is not there with Selenium now. So only we are going to use Java 11 in future releases also. So you can select this one. So click finish and apply and close. Okay, now here you can see the things are changed. The system library is currently pointing to the Java 11. Okay, so now in source test Java. Okay, so in this particular folder you can right click and click on new, and here you click package. Okay, type first package. Okay, so click finish. So the package for this particular source test Java is created. So now on clicking on package, right click on the package and click new. Okay, so on clicking new you'll be getting an option like class. Okay, select class. In that you can type the class name. So I'm going to type like first Selenium program. Okay, so now click on public static void main. Okay, so here you click on this checkbox and finish it. Now the Java class file is created in the package. Now you can click Control D to delete that line. Okay, so I have done it. So first we will try opening selenium.dev URL in Chrome driver. Okay, so in order to do that, you can type web driver and click on control space, you will be getting option like WebDriver and whatever the available option, you will be seeing that. So now I am going with WebDriver. So on clicking that, you will be seeing the import that is added in the top. Okay. So after that, you give some space and type driver and click on equal to and new type Chrome driver and give semicolon. Okay. So here for Chrome driver, you need to do that import manually. So actually what happened with the WebDriver is, so it automatically imported. Okay, so because we are using the suggestion option, right? So it automatically, when we are selecting the suggestion, it automatically added the import. Okay, so but currently, in sometimes, okay, if you are not using the auto suggestion, so then you need to do that like what we do now. Okay, so it will be showing like a red color thing like this error. So you can select import WebDriver. Okay, so click on that. Both the things are imported in the top. Okay, so now we are going to write like driver dot get. So get method which allows us to open the URL. Okay, I will give the URL here. I will copy the URL and pass it in the place in the codes. Okay, so I have given that. So this is for opening the selenium.dev in the Chrome browser. Okay, so we have already written it. First we will see how it is working. Okay, so save it. Now right click and click on run as Java application. Okay, so on clicking that, you will be seeing the Chrome browser getting open and opening the selenium.dev in the Chrome. Okay, so let us see how it is working. Click on Java. So it is asking us to allow. Okay, I'm allowing this. So on clicking allow, you will be seeing, so it is already open. Okay, it is actually opened in Chrome browser using automation only. It is actually running here. You can see Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. Okay, so we not close this particular browser, so only it is not getting closed. Okay, we will do that in the as a next step. Okay, so here I will write like driver. That one I closed it manually. Okay, now I'm going to close it through script. Okay, in order to close it, you can write driver dot close in order to close a single window. If you want to close multiple window, you can go with quit. Okay, so currently I'm using close because it is going to close only one window, so I'm going to close with the close method. Okay, I'm clicking on control save and giving some wait time. Okay, then only you can see by adding thread.sleep like 5 second I am adding. Okay, so then only you can see the, if you write thread.sleep with 5000 means it will wait for 5 seconds. Okay, so it is asking me to add the exception in the top. Okay, I'm adding. Okay, so here the exception is added in the top. Now we will run the script again. Okay, in order to run, you can right click on the Java class file and click on run as Java application. So on doing that, it will open the Chrome browser and open the selenium.dev URL. After the waiting for 5 seconds, it will be getting closed. Okay, it performed it. So whatever we written here, it executed exactly the same thing. Okay, so we have successfully written a Selenium script and we have executed it, and we also like created a Maven project, and we also learn how to add dependency, Selenium dependency. And after adding the Selenium dependency, you are able to see the Maven dependency with list of jars which is getting downloaded from the Maven repository. So after that, we tried running the script. So we are able to run and open this particular URL. Okay. So that's all I have for this video. So we will see in another video with new content. Okay. Thank you.